is nighttime and I just finished filming 2 other videos. I wanted to come on here and film my intro for this video, which is going to be finally my room tour. I have been on YouTube since 2012 and I don't think I really was dedicated as a blogger, influencer, YouTuber. I mean, I was always kind of into it and passionate about it, but I don't think I really started to see any gain or become an influencer until around 2015. But even since then, I have not given you guys a room tour ever. I've always filmed most of my videos in this little space and I've just never given you guys like an in-depth tour of it, so I'm doing it today. Technically, I did it already because I filmed the tour part the other day. I decided I wanted to kind of give you guys that insight into my space. So the footage that you're about to see is going to be when there's sunlight and when my hair looks like Snoop Dogg because it's tied and twisted back. I think I just watched it in that video. So I'm going to look different, but that's not the point. The point is you finally get to see my room. I hope you guys enjoyed this tour, and I really wanted to do this especially because I'm getting to that point of my life where I am starting to think about moving out and getting a place of my own. And I promise you guys that when I start that process, everything will be vlogged and I will take you guys along on that journey with me so that I also have footage that I can look back on. And best believe that my first place on my own is going to be as glam and extra as you guys are expecting, okay? But for now, I have my little room. I have the smallest room in the house, a tiny space that gets hot, but I've been here since I was, what? I think I moved into this room when I was 8, 9, 10. And I have seen it transform, and so have you guys, because it looks a lot different than my first videos. But I'm going to stop rambling and I'm just going to get right onto the tour. Alrighty guys, so this is the overview of my room. So I'm just going to kind of go in order in like a little circle and take it back to the door, shall we? So when you walk in, I first have this bookcase, and I got this from IKEA, I believe. It was super cheap, I know that much. And I really like it just because I can display my shoes. I honestly wasn't planning though on putting this outside of my closet. I thought it would fit in and I just don't know how to measure. So I have this bookcase with all my little heels that I've collected, even though I barely wear these. And on the top I have this light box that says La Vie en Rose. You guys know that's the thing, that's the theme, okay? And I actually didn't have this card with the kiss on it. I just put red lipstick on and kissed that because I thought that'd be really cute. And it looks like this. It's real nice. And then I have this bag that I used to use, I think in high school or like the very beginning of college, as a school bag that I got from probably TJ Maxx. And I just thought it was cute, so I keep it up there. I have my giant earmuffs that I'm obsessed with that I got from Forever 21 last year. I just kept them up here so that way I don't lose them, but I also think it's kind of cute, so I just keep them here. And I have this little It Cosmetics clutch bag that I got from Ulta. At the bottom, I have some boots, and my favorite pair of boots to always wear during the fall and winter are these black ones, but I need to get new ones because these are really scuffed, okay? They look a little ratchet, but they're my fave. And then at the bottom shelf, I just have my slides and my favorite pair of sparkly sneakers. These are just easy shoes I usually wear. And on the side, I keep some purses or bags or fanny packs or whatnot, but I am more of a backpack person than anything else, so these are just the ones that I thought looked good outside of the closet. And then me being the ratchet person that I am, I also have this little binder, and I actually use this as a door wedge because why not? I already had it. I didn't have to go buy a door wedge. And then over here I have my bed. This bed is small, but I'm also a small person. I can't remember if this is a full or a twin size bed, but it's honestly worked for me since I was like 12, so here it is. And I got this bedding from JCPenney. I actually ordered it offline. It's like this satiny, silky material, but it's golden. This pillow is actually like one of those memory foam pillows, super cheap from IKEA. I only really use this if my back is already hurting, and then it helps, but if your back isn't hurting and you use this pillow from IKEA, it'll make it hurt. Don't understand it, but there it is. This giant pillow is from Target, and then these little pillow covers I got from Amazon, and I just put them on IKEA pillows that were like $2. I think the white, what is this called? Duvet cover? You know, your comforter, your main thing. I think this is from Target. And then I just have Sam's hoodie here because he left me. I actually just leave this here so that way if I get cold, it's an easy thing to grab. And I also have my other hoodie I'm always wearing in my videos on my desk chair. So then up here, I just have this feather boa that I thought was really cool because I've always been interested into those like canopy type of things over your beds, but I don't really want something fully hanging down on me and making me feel like I'm suffocating. So a feather boa is a great alternative, super cheap. I got this from Amazon. And then I also got these little lights from Amazon as well. And they're little roses. And look, it's battery operated, so I just keep it up here because it's ratchet, but whatever. But it's so pretty. So at night, I like to use this if I'm still up and I can't go to sleep immediately, but I want to be like on my laptop or read or something, because these are really relaxing, and then that way the whole light in my room isn't on. It's just really nice. I think it looks the best when it's dark. And then I just have this sign that says keep calm and sparkle. Next is this whole little desk section of my room. I just have these little white sheer curtains. Can't remember where I got them from, but I also got these little lights that twinkle when you turn them on, and these lights were also from Amazon. And then I have this also from IKEA, another little bookshelf thingy-majig, and I use this as my nightstand, and on it I just have this giant book of Jane Austen novels, and I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I haven't finished this yet, and I'm so mad at myself because I got this book a while ago. I love Pride and Prejudice, so that's why I got it, but I just never really find time to read this book, so I just thought it was pretty too. Plus it's super extra because the actual pages are golden, so I had to have it. It's just very fairy tale and fancy like. I just have my little alarm clock here that's old. I've had this for forever. And then I have 2 sleep sprays, pillow mist from Bath & Body Works that help me to try and fall asleep when I'm struggling. And I also have a hand lotion that I just found this morning. I forgot I had it, and this is vanilla buttercream, and I just keep this here for my hands. I have a picture of my squad. Gang gang. And then down here I just have random stuff. So this is a MacBook Air box, but it's full of just some of my favorite like beauty and fashion-based books. And then I keep my iPad here with my headphones. This little journal has little elephants on it. I actually got it last year. If you've been subscribed to me, I hauled this. And this is like my positivity journal. So every night I like to write down the best things that have happened throughout the day and any milestones that might have happened. And I do this every single day. And I just keep a pen here to write that down, so I keep that with me. And then over here I have my yearbooks, my little book from my senior year of high school, and then I have 2 other positivity journals from years past. And then these are some of my favorite pictures that used to be on my door. I'll show you guys my door last, but I just kept them. This is Sam, the Boo, the Bay, everything. I just keep these here. These used to be on my door when I was in high school, like my favorite high school memories, and right now I have college memories, but I need to update them. And then I have 2 more photo albums. I love photo albums. I just think that they're really nice to look through every now and then, so I need to get another one for my rest of college because this one's pretty much filled. Another photo album. I have some fashion tape and things here, some perfume samples, music, just random stuff, more fashion and beauty books. This game is fire. If you have a squad, play this. It's so funny. And then down here I have 2 boxes. This one is filled with old heat styling tools that I have not touched, and this is full of like random CDs, old cell phones, that type of thing. My desk also, guess where it's from? IKEA. I like this though because the back is magnetic, so I like to usually put things on here that I need to remember. I probably am blurring this out because it has my information on it, but this is just a reminder for me to renew my license for cosmetology. I have these photo booth pictures from senior year of high school. This was post-prom party, so that's one of my BFFs, Leah, and that's Sam being a fool. And then on top of my desk, I just have random things too. I keep a baseball hat. This one's just really cute, light pink NYC, but I keep this because sometimes I like to wear these to the gym, so it's just easy to grab. I also have this little plaque from my college. I have a candle, a whole bunch of like body stuff up here, and I have this little pin that I just got from Ripley's Museum, Ripley's Believe It or Not. And then I have this little goat that is a graduation goat. I have my filled to the brim piggy bank that I need to cash in. But guess where I got this from? This is so cute. It's golden. It's perfect. This was $1 from the dollar store, and I was so happy to find this. I love this thing. Again, I have more just random body stuff up here. I need to finish this, and I haven't, so that's why it's still up here. I have this hot chocolate like coffee mug from Bando. He's over here. He's doing pretty freaking well. And then this is just a picture of my sister and I from College Fashion Week like 2 years ago. On the shelves, I just have, you know, regular supplies, more pictures, but these are makeup artistry pictures for a portfolio. And then I have this mug, but it's filled with a whole bunch of business cards that I've just collected from random people because I think networking is important, you know. And on the side here, I just have like random keychains from different things. Here, I have this pen from College Fashionista, which was one of my like online internships I had throughout college. And I have this little Louis Vuitton teacup set, and I actually painted this from a pottery place near me, and I just keep like my little SD cards and stuff for my camera in here. And I have my old original Glaministo 8 camera. So on my desk I just have my phone, my laptop because I was watching YouTube videos earlier, and my planner, and I always keep my Canon camera here. And then I also have my audio like podcasting / voiceover mic here. And then I have this little mug. I can't remember where this is from either. I think this was a gift though. I think Jasmine might have got this for me because it says Hot Mess. She probably did. And I just keep my pens and pencils here. And another fun fact, I like finding lucky pennies. I just think that's really good luck. It's a good sign, and I don't move them once I find them. So if I find a lucky penny, it's staying there. So now I have 2 of them for good luck. I don't want this to take forever, but next is my lamp. This is a silver lamp. I got this from Bed Bath & Beyond like a long time ago. I think before I even started my channel, I need to replace it, but it's doing well for now. And on it, I just have my diploma. Behind it I have a certificate from the honors college at my university, and behind that hidden I have this CoverGirl like video thing that came in a PR box. And then I also have this comb from Formulate because they sent this to me when I was one of their first partners. And I have these 3 little goats here that I've gotten at different times because everyone knows I love goats. I keep my hand sanitizers that are extra here. I have clear nail polish, and I have more hand cream, but this one's really thick, like 3C's thick. And down here I have this little charger holder thing. It's actually a piggy bank, but it's shaped like a lipstick. So I just put all of my extra chargers that I don't use as often there. And I do have my recent college diploma here. I just don't have anywhere really to put it on my walls yet, so sitting here till I figure that out. And on this wall, to finish it off, I have all my nail polishes that I have not touched because now I get dip powder nails, so I like don't do my nails anymore. But I don't want to get rid of them just yet. And here's what I look like, a little bum today. But these are just my doors for my closet. I'm not going to do a closet tour because this video is going to be way too long, but if you guys want that, you can have that. It's not going to be that interesting because it's not like a walk-in or anything, but I do like my closet, so here's a little preview of that. I guess I could put my diploma up there. Maybe I will. Okay, but the next is this wall. So up here, I just have this little plaque that my best friend Emily made me, and it's a picture of our squad, and then this is a letter and our picture that we took, one of the pictures we took from prom, and this was like part of my senior year gift of high school, so I keep that up there. And then I also have this record that is signed, and I got this because my first year of college, I actually still went back to my high school to help choreograph their musical. Well, I didn't help choreograph, I choreographed the whole thing. So it was my first full musical being a choreographer, and the cast signed this for me afterwards. I thought that was really cute. I have my TV that I don't even really use anymore, and another boa from Amazon, super cute. I need to get more to just lay them around my room, but I have another candle, my little bunny from CoverGirl when they went cruelty free. I have this mug that I got when I went to the International Spy Museum. I think this is so cute. And then I have this spray from Bath & Body Works. I got this for myself, but honestly, I use this as a room spray because it smells delicious. I also really like this one from Victoria's Secret. It's their Bare Vanilla. This smells bomb. I have another Victoria's Secret perfume, an empty Chanel bottle, and another room spray back there that I used to use all the time. And then I have this little chest that my mom actually brought back as a souvenir when she went to Puerto Rico last time. So I keep that here. And then I have this little man that's made out of cinnamon. He smells delicious. And then I have these different musical movies. So then I have my drawers. So these two are 2 separate drawers from IKEA, and I keep a lot of different things in here. I'm not going to go through the drawers too because I think that'd take forever, but I just have hair stuff, body stuff, jewelry, all of my workout clothes, and then I have like graphic tanks, regular tanks, regular shirts, and a whole bunch of graphic tees in here. I also have an extension cord and my old Audrey Hepburn poster that used to be on the wall above my bed. I have it down here now because I wanted this wall to be clear for videos and I just felt like I was outgrowing that poster. So then here is my vanity. I redid my lights and my vanity mirror, and I have a video on that. If you guys haven't seen it, I'll link it. But I just have my little mirror that I've had for forever before I got my channel, and I have this little thingy here that you can just spin. Ooh, look at that. And I got this from Home Goods. And then I just have a whole bunch of stuff that I use. Again, this could be a own video of its own. BT dubs. By the time this video is up, I think I will already have posted about my giveaway for this Duval brush, so enter that. I have my brushes, I have my skincare stuff, I have my diffuser, and I have these two big boxes here because this is a Sephora order I just got, and then underneath is a Forever 21 order, both of which you guys will have seen content by now. And then I just have this little box over here. It's an OPI box. And then on top of it, I just keep nail stuff. Nail stuff is in it. And then I also keep my like hair stuff in here as well. I don't know why I'm weird. Also, I have this stool. This was from IKEA. It was really cheap and it's broken because there was one morning I was filming an Ariana Grande tutorial. It was super early. It had to be like 4 or 5. And I sat down the wrong way and I just like fell over onto this. It was the weirdest fall ever, but I broke my chair and I haven't replaced it yet because it still works, but it's a little wonky, okay? Okay, and then the last thing here is another set of drawers, but these are not from IKEA. They look pretty close, but you can tell because this is curved and this isn't. But in here, I keep my skincare in the first drawer and some like headbands and stuff here, and then I just keep underwear and like night clothes. But on top of here, I just have random stuff. Okay, this I'm keeping here just so I remember to give it to my sister. But I have my keys, I have my 2 water bottles, and then I have this tray I got from Home Goods, and I keep all of my fragrances here, like my fancy perfumes and lotions. And then behind it I have extra brushes, my vitamins, and my face brushes and body brush and stuff. And then I also have my famous eyelash sign that I got from Home Goods as well. Jasmine has the same exact one. I like subconsciously copied off her and then didn't realize I did until later on, but it's so cute, so I love it. I also decorated this plate, by the way, but it's a little ratchet, but when you look from far away it looks pretty cool, don't it? And lastly, I have my door, and I just keep a whole bunch of pictures that make me happy with people who make me happy on here, so my best friends and my family. And I need to update this door, but I just really like the fact that this is the like least glamorous setup. It's like more of a real thing, but it just reminds me of all the things that make me happy or all the memories I've had. So it's a really nice thing to just wake up and look at your door first thing in the morning and to see these bright shining little faces. Alright guys, so that was my room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I look forward to seeing just how life continues to grow and get more glam. And I hope that you guys want to continue to be a part of that process with me. Until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye guys.